Have you ever found yourself wondering if financial freedom is truly within your grasp? Or perhaps you've had those moments where dissatisfaction with your current job seems to be the only constant? Well, you're not alone. The desire for financial independence is a universal one, and today we're going to explore a solution that has brought success to many. Listen to the story of Sandra, a mother of two from Ohio, who was toiling away at a 9-to-5 job she had no passion for. She stumbled upon a free course that promised to guide her on starting an automated business from home. Skeptical at first, she decided to give it a try. Fast forward 6 months, Sandra is now running a successful business, working fewer hours, and most importantly, she enjoys what she does. Or consider the case of Tom, a recent graduate from Texas, burdened with student loans and struggling to find a job in his field. He came across the same free course and decided to take the leap. Today, Tom is debt-free and operates his own thriving business from the comfort of his home. The stories of Sandra and Tom are not unique. Chris Josinla and Jonathan Montoya, the creators of this free course, have helped thousands of people just like Sandra and Tom to build successful businesses. This course is beginner-friendly and uses a proven business model, replicated through software, to help you create multiple streams of income. But it's not just about the money. It's about a lifestyle change. It's about having the freedom to spend quality time with your loved ones, to travel, or to simply enjoy a good book, without the constant worry of financial constraints. So here's the question. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Are you ready to step out of the confines of your current job and step into a world of endless possibilities? The opportunity is here. The course is free. The only thing standing between you and your financial freedom is action. Sign up for the free course today. Embrace the chance to build a business that not only brings financial rewards, but also brings happiness and satisfaction. Remember, financial freedom is not a distant dream. It's a reality that many have achieved, and you can be next. Take the first step today. Sign up for the free course and start your journey towards financial independence. The future is in your hands.